Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Fortnite server offline error on Epic Games.
Fix 1. Check Epic Games server status. Step 1. Go to Epic Games status. Step 2. Look for Fortnite server status. Step 3. If servers are down, wait until Epic fixes them. Fix 2. Restart Epic Games Launcher. Step 1. Close Epic Games Launcher completely. Step 2. Reopen the launcher and try launching Fortnite. Fix 3. Clear Epic Games Launcher cache. Step 1. Close the Epic Games Launcher. Step 2. Press Windows plus R, type %localop.up% and hit Enter. Step 3. Open the Epic Games Launcher folder, saved web cache. Step 4. Delete all files inside web cache. Step 5. Reopen the launcher and try again.